Hello friends, you are studying circle chapter, exercise 10.5, question number 1. In the figure A, B, C, 3 points are given. A, B and C are 3 points in the circle O such that BOC is given. In the figure that you are seeing in the book, it is given question number 1. So, this is given in the figure. Here is the center and you are getting this figure. What is given? A, B, C, O and D. This angle is given 60 degree. This angle is given 30 degree. You want to find out AOB, if D is the point on this the circle, then find angle ADC. Very simple. Angle ADC is equal to half of angle AOC. By theorem, angle at the center is twice the angle in the remaining part of the circle. Very simple. Angle at the center is twice the angle. This and this angle has two relation. What is AOC? But AOC has two angles. So you will write 60 plus 30. What will you get? Half into 90 will give you 45 degree. So what are you getting? It is your 45 degree ADC. Question number 2 is given. In this question number 2 is given. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of a circle. A chord of a circle is equal to the radius of a circle. Example is given. In COR, AB is equal to radius. It is given. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc AB. This angle you want, and the point on the major arc, and the point on the major arc. Major arc is this. So, you want to find out major arc. It is the angle in the major arc. You want to find out this and this. So, for this you join the triangle. You want angle ACB and angle ADB. Both you want. Both the angles you want to calculate. First you find out in triangle OAB. OA is equal to OB is equal to AB is equal to R. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degrees. It is 60 degrees. Why? Because of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Angle ADB is half of angle AOB. So what will you get? Angle at center is half the angle. Angle at center is twice the angle in the remaining part. Our angle at the remaining part is half of the angle at the center. That theorem you know. So it is half of 60. That is 30 degree. One answer you are getting. Major arc angle is 30 degree. And you can apply this example reflex R by cyclic quadrilateral ADBC is cyclic like this. Also you can cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore angle ACB plus angle ADB will be 180 degree. So by this also you can get, because it is you are getting 30 degree. ACB is equal to 180 minus 30. ACB is equal to 180 minus 30 degree will be 150 degree. Another answer. Two answers you are getting. It is a 30 degree and it is a 150 degree. Why? One method cyclic quadrilateral you apply R, reflex angle. This is a reflex angle. reflex angle is 360 minus 60, 300. It is 300 and half of this is 150. So both the methods, any method you can apply. Question number 3. Question number 3 of this exercise is given. Question number 3. What is the question number 3 is given? In this you are seeing there is a one figure given. In figure 10.37, angle PQR is 100 degree. One figure is given like this. And here is given O. And this is given. It is given 100 degree. PQR. You want to find out PQR, angle OPR. You want to find out this angle. OPR. You want to find. OPR. So first you find out this angle. What is this? A reflex. Angle POR is twice of angle PQR are not by the theorem. In the theorem I have told you, reflex of POR is twice of PQR. That is 2 into 100. Gives you 200 degree. If it is 200 degree, then what is this angle? Angle POR is equal to 360 minus 200. That is 160 degree. You are getting this 160 degree. These two angles are equal. Why? Why these two are equal? Because OP is equal to OR is the radius of the circle. OP is equal to OK is the radius of the circle. Because OP is equal to OR is equal to R. Therefore, angle OPR is equal to angle ORP is equal to x degree. Both are angle opposite to equal side. So x plus 160 is 180 by ASPT in triangle OPR. This triangle x plus 160 xt 2x is equal to 180 minus 160, then x is equal to 20 by 2, that is 10 degree. So angle OPR is equal to 10 degree you are getting. Very simple. You are getting this. Question number 4 is given. Question number 4. What is the question number 4 given? There is a one figure given. In question number 4 also there is a figure given. ABC and DBC. There is a this type of figure is given. One is given ABC, another is given DBC. ABC and DBC. ABC and DBC. It is given, this angle is given how much? 60 degree. Angle ACB. Angle ACB is 31. Angle ABC is 69. It is given 69 degree. And ACB. This is ACB is given how much? 31 degree. This two is given. And you want to find out angle BDC. You want to find out this angle. Angle BDC you want to find out. First you find angle BAC. This is in triangle ABC, ASPT. Angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 69 plus 31. So what will you get? 189, 100, then 80 degree. Angle BAC you are getting 80 degree by calculation. Angle BDC is equal to angle BAC. Angles in same segments are equal. Same segments are equal. Angles in the same segments are equal. BDC. BAC is equal to angle BDC. Angles in the same segments are equal. Therefore, angle BDC is also equal to 80 degree. What you have calculated here? One answer you are getting. Question number 5 is given. Question number 5. What is the question number 5 in this one figure again? You are getting. Question number 5 is given. In figure A, B, C, D are 4 points. Question number 5. Again there is a figure. There is a figure given, and this type of figure is this. Figure is given A, B, C and DBC. It is given ABC and DBC intersecting each other at E. It is also given. BEC is given 100 degree. How much given? It is 130 degree. And angle ECD is given 20 degree. This angle ECD is given 20 degree. You want to find angle BAC. This angle you want to find out. Very simply you can get. There is two options. One you can apply directly. This is equal to this angle inside by arc. Here you see. Here you are using the arc which BDC. Angle by arc BC, you are getting BDC equal to BAC. What is arc? You are using arc BC. Here you will use, in this first you find out this angle. What is? By linear pair. Angle DEC is equal to 180 minus 130 degree by linear pair. Very simple. So what are you getting? 50 degree. It is 50 degree. Then in triangle EDC, ASPT you apply. ASPT, angle EDC is equal to 180 minus 50 plus 30. Directly I am writing 180 minus 80 is given 100 degree. It is 100 degree. Then angle ABAC is equal to angle BDC. You want BAC? BAC is equal to BCAT by arc BC. This arc. There is a same segments, angles in the same segment. Angles in same segment. So this is also equal to 100 degree. What you are getting? 100 degree angle BAC you are getting. 100 degree it is, 100 degree this. This 100, so like this you can apply anything, you will get the solution. Simply rest of the question I will tell you in the next lecture. Thanks.